In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Notion Goal Tracker template. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized space to set goals, monitor progress, and keep everything in one place without any confusion. First, head over to the Notion website. Once you're there, look for the Marketplace. This is where Notion collects ready-made templates so you don't have to build everything from scratch. The Marketplace is designed to be simple to navigate, and it's the quickest way to find exactly what you need for goal setting. Inside the Marketplace, find the search bar and type in Goal Tracker. You'll see a list of results designed for different styles of planning, from simple lists to more advanced dashboards. Take a moment to glance at the preview images and short descriptions so you can pick the one that matches how you like to work. When you've found the Goal Tracker template you want, select it to open its details page. This page usually shows an overview of how it works and what's included, which can help you confirm it fits your needs. When you're ready, click it and click Add. Notion will place a copy in your workspace so you can make it your own. Once the template is added, feel free to customize everything. Start by renaming the page to reflect your focus, like personal goals, work goals, or a mix of both. Open the database and tailor the properties you see. Common ones include goal title, status, priority, start and due dates, and notes. Adjust or remove anything you don't need and add properties you do, such as categories or time estimates. If the template includes example entries, replace them with your own goals so your tracker becomes relevant immediately. Next, fine-tune how you view your goals. Many templates come with multiple views, such as a board by status, a calendar for deadlines, or a table for quick editing. Rearrange these views, rename them, or create new ones that make your workflow clearer. You can also add simple filters and sorting to keep your most important goals front and center. As you customize, keep things measurable and realistic. Break bigger goals into smaller milestones within the same database, use clear due dates, and update the status regularly. Notion saves automatically, so you won't lose progress while you experiment. That's it. Open Notion, go to the Marketplace, search Goal Tracker, pick a template, click Add, and then customize it to fit your style. With a few thoughtful tweaks, your Goal Tracker becomes a powerful system you'll actually use.